Let's have a look at the Antigua floor plan located in Valencia Harbor. This is a 3-bedroom plus den, 3-bath, single-family home that is 2,342 square feet in Valencia Harbor. If you're familiar with GL homes and you know the Pearl model, this one might look a little familiar. Let's check it out. If you enjoyed this tour of the Antigua floor plan, give us a call, let us know what you think, or if you have any questions about builder incentives and upgrades.